It's here, guys. Yes. I'm literally sweating right now. I have one more package downstairs, which is heavier than this one. I don't know why. Heavier than this one. So I will see you guys in a bit. I still have another flight. Oh gosh. Hey guys, I am coming to you with another business essential purchase. Today we will be unboxing and setting up a professional full form tailoring mannequin, and I am so excited. This is geared a little more towards the fashion design aspect of my business. So if you are a fashion design student, a fashion design enthusiast, or a fashion designer looking to expand your studio, I'm your girl. We know how important it is to have a good quality dress form in the comfort of your home studio. Yes. And finding a good quality dress form for a good or reasonable price can get really difficult, but I have made it easier for you. Buying a full form mannequin is way more beneficial, and you'll get a lot more out of your money than just buying a half form mannequin. You know, you have the legs where you can design things for your lower body, and these can run you a little over $1,000, you know, but not today. For a fraction of that price, I was able to find a great quality mannequin. This is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own hard-earned money, so I really did my research on this. Give me 1 second. I have some notes, and I just want to get those for you guys so I don't leave any good deets out. So before we get started, the mannequin, okay, so I love this. So the mannequin does come with the steel iron base, which right away we know that is quality because we've used those really expensive mannequins in fashion school and probably stubbed their toes a few times with those. So right off the bat, we know it's quality. It does come with a collapsible shoulders. How important is that? Let me show you guys the mannequin that I was using before, and we will see and compare the upgrade to now. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I want you to meet Lindsay. Oh my god, this is the first mannequin that I purchased in fashion school. I bought her at a local Joann store, and she ran me for about $200. As you can see, she does not have collapsible shoulders, so getting any bodice over her was really difficult, if not impossible. She is not pinnable, so it was, I'm sorry Lindsay, I wasn't able to drape or do any kind of drape designs on her either. Although there is a positive to her. She is adjustable here, and I was able to like adjust her bust, her waist, and her hips. So that was pretty cool. Another really neat thing that our new upgrade comes with is a padding kit. If you have a little extra booty, or your client has a little extra booty, you're able to fit the padding on her and adjust her measurements according to that, or adjust the measurements according to your client or yourself. So I love that. Love that. At no additional charge. Guys, it even gets better. All right, so this feels like Christmas. This mannequin also comes with a fitting arm, and that is still included in the price. You know, usually that you would have to make I cannot talk today. Usually you would have to make those purchases separately, but this is an all for one. So cool. So I literally can't wait anymore. So I'm gonna drink some more coffee and go change, and we'll start unboxing. Yay. Okay, this is so funny. So I gifted this to myself. I don't know if you can see that there. So I wrote myself a note. It says, follow your dreams, work hard, manifest, believe in yourself, and be a boss as... I don't think I can say that. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't think I can say that. But, oh guys, that's so sweet. I mean, you know, sometimes you gotta buy gifts for yourself too. All right, let's go. She's a savage, nasty, bougie, and classy. come in and just give some final thoughts. I am absolutely in love and super happy with this beautiful purchase. I did purchase a size 12. A size 12 in this dress form is about a size medium. And I will be purchasing a small and a plus size. I think this is a phenomenal price that comes in just a little under $600 for the quality of this and for all the extra features it includes. This is a double thumbs up of 6-star review if I can give it a 6 stars. All the information will be in the description box down below, guys. I got y'all. And I also want to thank you guys so much for all the love. This is a part of my Persephone collection, which is still being developed. I'm still designing a few more pieces to go with the whole ensemble. This is a limited edition collection because the fabric, I can no longer purchase it and it is no longer being made. So it just makes it so much more special. This collection is inspired by the Greek goddess Persephone, and I can't wait to show you guys what's next. So thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe. It means so much to me, and I can't wait to see you guys in another video.